Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome in SNUM education system. We have learned in previous lecture that neuron or nerve cell is the basic structure and function unit of nervous system. Today we are going to discuss second part of nervous system, which covers different types of neurons. Types of neurons are nerve cells. There are different types of neurons in human body which perform different functions. On the basis of their functions, neurons may be classified into following three types. Number 1, sensory neurons. Number 2, motor neurons. Number 3, interneurons. Sensory neurons. Neurons which carry nerve impulses from sense organs to the central nervous system are called sensory neurons. Dear students, we know that nerve impulses are the messages transmitted from one part of the body to another. These messages are taken from ears, eyes, skin, tongue, nose, etc., which are called sense organs, and transmitted to the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord. This transmission of messages in the form of nerve impulses is carried out by sensory neurons. These neurons are also known as afferent neurons. Second type of neurons is motor neurons. Neurons which carry nerve impulses from central nervous system to effectors are called motor neurons. Dear students, we know central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. This system processes the nervous impulses or messages which receive through sensory neurons, and a message is generated. This message is communicated to effectors through motor neurons. These neurons are also known as efferent neuron. Effectors are human body parts which respond on receiving message from central nervous system. Muscles and glands in the body act as effectors. Third type of neurons is interneurons. Neurons which are present in central nervous system are called interneurons. They form a link between sensory and motor neurons. Diagram shows that sensory neuron carry nerve impulses or messages from sense organs to the central nervous system through interneuron. Motor neuron carry messages from central nervous system to effectors to respond accordingly. Dear students, today we have completed second lecture on nervous system. Listen this lecture again and again for best understanding. We will soon join, inshallah, for third lecture on nervous system, which is about central nervous system. Till then, Allah Hafiz.